Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is the pattern we are going to learn to knit today. You can use this pattern in your ladies jacket, sweater, cardigan. See, this is how it looks like. Wrong side looks like this. So this is only 8 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast on multiples of 14 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 14 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration, I have 31 stitches on my needle, which is 14 plus 14 28 plus 1 extra stitch 29 and 2 edge stitch 31. So row 1 right side, row 1 right side, knit your edge stitch, through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Purl 2, yarn over SSK, yarn in back, yarn over SSK. SSK means slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice, and knit these two together through the back loop. SSK, purl 3, 1 2 3, purl 3, knit 1, purl 3, 1 2 3, purl 3, knit 2 together, yarn over purl 1, and in front yarn over purl wise, yarn over purl wise, and purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here, here to here. For repeat pattern we have done purl 2, yarn over SSK, purl 3, 1 2 3, knit 1, purl 3, knit together, yarn over purl 1. This is the repeat pattern. You will repeat this repeat pattern. We have one more repeat. Repeat that again. Purl 1, yarn over, purl 2, 1 2, and then yarn over SSK, yarn in back, yarn over SSK, purl 3, 1 2 3, knit 1, purl 3 again, 1 2 3, knit 2 together, yarn over purl wise, and then purl 1. So we have done 2 repeats here from here to here. After you finish all repeats, for a last 2 stitch, 1 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 2, wrong side, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Purl 4, 1 2 3 4, purl 4, knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 3, purl 1, knit 3 again, 1 2 3, and purl 3, 1 2 3. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 3, 1 2 3, knit, purl 4, 1 2 3 4, knit 3, 1 2 3, purl 1, knit 3 again, 1 2 3, and purl 3. This is the repeat pattern. Repeat that again. Purl 4, 1 2 3 4, purl 4, knit 3, 1 2 3, purl 1, knit 3, 1 2 3, and purl 3, 1 2 3, and last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, slip 1. Row 3, for row 3, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Purl 2, 1 2, purl 2, yarn over knitwise, knit 1, SSK, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 2 together and knit 1, yarn over, purl 1, yarn over purlwise and purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2, yarn over, knit 1, SSK, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 2 together, knit 1, yarn over, purl 1. Repeat that again. Purl 2, yarn over, knitwise, knit 1, SSK, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 2 together, knit 1, yarn over, purlwise, purl 1. See, we have done 2 repeats. Last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 4, wrong side. Slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Purl 5, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2 and purl 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2 and purl 4. Again purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, slip 1. Row 5. Row 5, your edge stitch, knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Purl 2, yarn over, and in back, yarn over knitwise, knit 2, SSK, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1 and then knit 2 together, knit 2, yarn over, purlwise and purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2, yarn over, knit 2, SSK, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1 and knit 2 together, knit 2, yarn over, purl 1. Again purl 2, yarn over, knitwise, knit 2, SSK, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1 and knit 2 together, knit 2, yarn over, purl 1. Last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 6, wrong side, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1 and then purl 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 6, 2, 4, 6, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1 and purl 5, 2, 4, 5. Again purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1 and purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, slip 1. Row 7. For row 7, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Purl 2, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, SSK, knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2, yarn over, knit 3, knit 2 together, sorry, SSK, knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 3, yarn over, purl 1. Repeat that again. Purl 2, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, SSK, knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, purl 1. Last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 8, last row, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat these 8 rows, row 1 to row 8, over and over again until you reach your desired length. After your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.